guys, so I'm sitting here watching teasers of Enima and I'm realizing what no man. Teasers of Enima used to be so exciting. I I really cannot wait for the upcoming week so that things will but this time around, in fact, recently, and yes, I was excited now. I was so that is why I decided to create this video so that I can share with you guys some of the things that you can expect on this upcoming week, starting from Monday the 15th till Friday the 19th of June 2026. So let us quickly get into the video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching. So kuningi that's going to happen this week. From Uhlathi meeting ubavumile, Uyanga criticizing Uhlathi of not being a good father, comparing him to Lazarus, Lazarus assisting Azande to get out of the mess that he put himself in, no bill and whatsoever. So I feel like there's more that could have happened, or there's more that they could have showed us ngale show le. Oh, bese zoba character zethu, how that is pissing me off recently. How can you be so stable? I understand that zethu bade hlumeza all along. Maybe she's reacting to a trauma, but man, angimtholi kahle. You know, for starters, Obuhlathi bayazama manje ukuthi bama-assist ngayo yonke into, so she doesn't have to appreciate it but accept lo sizo lolonikezwayo ukuthi uzohlawula and wena uzenze nganje simodela ukuthi I'm not damaged mina isidina le nto leyana. So I'm hoping that this storyline or this whole thing is going to end very soon. So going to Uyanga now, I really don't understand. I thought Uyanga was a good girl now after everything that she did. I thought that she's going to be more respectful now, but still, Uyanga is back. Okay, Shuti Lazarus decided to allow Uhlathi to meet Ubavumile. So Uhlathi Ubavumile, as you can see on the screen right now, this is huge because they are meeting each other. Like, I'm not sure Bahlangana in a week, but I'm sure there's this arrangement that they made. So Bahlangana, as you can see, that everyone is happy and all. Now Uyanga goes on to tell Uhlathi he's not a good father. He's nothing compared to Lazarus, and Lazarus is a better father. That is why this girl is talking to Uhlathi, and I don't understand why is Lazarus being made a hero. Now I don't really understand why is he helping Azande out, because now what happened is that you guys remember that in the past week Bill told Azande he has nothing against him, so angaza yewinele case le wazami senkingeni manje because ubelo kontshontsha ama inventions wabantu ewenza wakhe na yonke lonto le. Now uBill ukhiphe article expose Azande kuyo yonke lonto le. Meanwhile yonke into bethe yenza bebade benza ndawonye. Now azami senkingeni akazosenze njani, but Lazarus being Lazarus naliqhawe bimenza lona decide to hamba manje asizo Azande, the same Azande was trying to sabotage him, the same Azande oqoshe uzoleka wathi ahambe eAmerica so that izothatha icompany. I don't really understand why they helping him. Suthi ubani uzoba enemy manje, or going bethu Uhlathi uzoleka and Lazarus fight. Angazi, what direction are we taking? Maybe you guys will know better. So comment there in the comment section. Well, you can go and watch them on Mzansi Magic's channel, both on YouTube and on their social media. So go there, watch, and come back here to comment. Let me know what do you think about this week's teasers. And if you enjoyed the content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.